the birds chirp?
Hmm?
That's how the birds chirp?
I don't know.
Kind of late today because he decided to make some pina coladas and get us all drunk and put Ray and nephew in it. So then we woke up late. Woke up, I didn't even know what time it was.
After 2.
Okay, don't lie. It wasn't that late. It was like after 12. But we're gonna make some. Wait, he made boiled dumpling yesterday, so we're gonna cut them up and fry them. Some of you guys may know how that be. Some of y'all may not, but we gonna show you. Today is Sunday morning. As you can see, everyone's out and doing their own thing, right? Yo, it's so green out here. Jamaica is just so green.
Okay.
Man, you watch out.
Yeah,
6 dumplings. 6 boiled dumplings. When you're going to cut them in half,
so much you have.
how much do I have?
Yeah.
3.
12.
Oh, I think you meant like how much do I want? I thought you meant how much I want. So these are the boiled dumplings Ziggy made yesterday. He made some boiled dumpling, yam, banana, with cabbage and saltfish. It was actually really good. Just minus the fact that he put too much pepper in mine. It was like the raw pepper like this. He cut up one of these on my food. But anyways, yeah, he's gonna cut these in half. This is real yachty style, like nothing goes to waste out here. I've not had this in so long. My grandma used to always do this.
Yo.
You know you're dissing my dumplings. Your dumplings were tough.
When man?
The time when I made dumplings at the house and you're like, you look like, what'd you say?
Me never see them tough. So you can crush.
Got the oil in the pot. Can you still
No, I live with me. I live with Anne.
dumplings are all like sliced in half.
Oh. Easy. Egg.
Egg with it?
Yeah.
I've never had egg with it.
You never have egg with it?
No,
You
usually.
put the egg in the middle between 2 of them.
No, I never had that before. So no mackerel.
Yeah, put up the one in it.
Let me just capture my face. Of course, I'm the one who's always cutting up the onions and stuff. Fine. Remember you did that to me here. That's not true. So anyways, I'm here with my little sister at home. Ziggy went to buy some stuff for himself, so I'm just chilling with my youngins, aka my brother and my sister, aka the two fastiest kids alive. So anyways, we're at home waiting for my sister. My next sister's coming and we're so excited. I haven't seen her in like April, May, June, July. 5 freaking months. Okay, fine. Like 4.5 months I haven't seen my other sister. She's been so busy and then she's at home and like I'm out here. So I'm actually so excited to see her. I can't wait. My sister is here. Someone is here. She's finally here.
My sister's in Jamaica. She's been down here.
My sister's in Jamaica. I haven't seen her in like 5 months. Crazy one. She's the crazy one out of the 4 of us.
I'm getting the microphone. Shawna! Wait, I'm trying to get this. How do you guys get it?
I can get it done. When you got me
Wow, go on YouTube. Man, like this.
You can't really put out
But
my
like,
head, bro.
so it's like.
Are you shaking it like that?
No.
It's so long.
It's a long ass room.
It is. No, I know what this room is for.
Cobweb.
So the mom could beat the kids. So when the kids are running.
So you can corner them in the corner like, let's watch this fall on and yeah. Let's watch. Mom! She's talking. I see, he's the miserable boy. Don't say. Don't say. Okay, so everything is alright down here, but it's just a nice time. But you know, just another one. There is nothing, but everything goes. Happy birthday to you. Love you. That's for you if today's your birthday. Good night. Good dreams. Love you. Get it?